So by default, certain type of keyframe is actually applied right here, and that is the linear keyframe right here. So you can see that this is what you have right here. This is the type of keyframe that you have. If you were to select the object, then you can see the path line over here. So what I can actually do is I can right click and go to a temporal interpolation, and over here you can select Bezier right here, which goes around and changes around the curvature of the path that you have right here. And what happens is that you get a slightly different motion, as you can see right here. You can go around and choose auto Bezier as well, just like this, so that the curvature is controlled out automatically right here. And you can see that the keyframe types changes out over here accordingly. You can also go for continuous Bezier right here, just like this, and there's a slight change in the animation. You can also go around over here and choose whole keyframes if you don't want any in-between frames right here. So what happens is that there's the hold, as you can see right here, just like this. But anyways, you can go around and go back to linear type of keyframe as you wish, just like this anytime. So that is how the keyframe types work inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.